I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to see your friends, also known as connections, in the Roblox app. Step 1. Open the Roblox app on your iPhone, iPad, or Android device and then tap More in the menu. Associated options are shown. Step 2. Tap Connections. You'll land on a screen where you'll see all of the people who you're friends with on Roblox. If you see a connection or friend you want to remove, all you need to do is tap that friend, tap the ellipses in that menu, and then tap Remove Connection. You'll no longer be friends with that person in Roblox. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.